Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wemo smart plugs with Alexa or Google Home. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Wemo smart plug is plugged into a power outlet. Make sure the device you want to control is connected to the Wemo smart plug. Download and install the Wemo app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the Wemo app and create or log into your Wemo account. Follow the prompts to set up your Wemo smart plug in the app. Once the smart plug is set up, connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network that you plan to use with your smart plug. Next, open the Amazon Alexa app or Google Home app on your smartphone. For Alexa, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select Add Device and choose Plug from the list of device types. Tap Wemo from the list of compatible brands. Log into your Wemo account when prompted to link your Wemo devices to Alexa. After successfully linking the accounts, your Wemo smart plug should appear in the Alexa app. You can rename your smart plug for easy voice control. To test the connection, try turning the smart plug on or off using a voice command like Alexa, turn on your plug name. For Google Home, go to the Home tab in the Google Home app. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Set Up Device, then Works with Google. Look for Wemo in the list of options and select it. Log into your Wemo account to link your devices to Google Home. After linking, your Wemo smart plug will also show up in the Google Home app. Rename your smart plug for simple voice control if necessary. Now, you can use voice commands like Hey Google, turn off your plug name. That's it. You've successfully activated your Wemo smart plugs with Alexa or Google Home. You can now enjoy the convenience of controlling your devices from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.